solid tire to electric scooter. It's a big tire and a big engine. Very hard to get to places. This is a GGR. So I have a problem because of this wire cable goes there and I can't get it off without cutting the wires or breaking the connector. So we'll try to put this in its place over here. It's a very big tire and very tight. I can get this like this, but that's it. Let's see how this goes. Can I get this twisted to place? Ah, fuck, I don't think this is gonna work. I don't think this is gonna work. Ah, fuck, all of these bolts are round. Nothing fits here. Not a single, not an inch one, not a millimeter, no, nothing. So I need to cut these and use a screwdriver. There. Okay, now the rest. You see, this is the motor wire. So there's just a small hole there. I can't get, let's see, this won't turn enough for me to get this off. Oh, I got it. I got it in, but I don't know how to get it back. But let's do this. Now with this wire we can try to pull it back, but we'll see that after. Ah, oh, nice. There it is. Okay, let's put something here to hold this. Maybe it will hold. Okay, I can't rotate this anymore. It's so close. This one. There. Come on. Fuck. This is looking like a fucking mess. It's so tight here. Check that out. Check that out. Fucking hell. Fucking shit. Fuck ass. I think we are winning. I think we are winning. We are winning. Look at that. It goes. There it goes. There it goes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, now we can check these. That is, it's in the right place. Oh my god. Oh my god. This side. That's it. Okay, so if you want to see some bloopers, stay to the end. But that's no easy job, and if you have watched that man who just twisted to the place, oh no, you need to be a strong man for that. Okay, so now we put that in place and hope for the best. Okay, so in my earlier videos I put this on this rim. I boiled this for 20 minutes and it was fairly easy to put on, but if you compare it to this was no easy job. I don't know if you would have boiled it for 20 minutes, it would have helped, yes, but I did it the hard way. Let's put this on. This is going to be pain in my ass. Ah, fuck. Yes. Okay, now the pins. I hope I can straighten them up. Okay, now it's in place and I've straightened the pins. There's an arrow somewhere. Maybe there. There is the arrow. Let's hope that this match. Yes, they did. Okay, let's put this to place and we'll try the motor if it still works. Some silicone. Let's hope that these are not too long. I had to cut every one of these. Okay, now we put the lights. We clean up for these. This is easy, just WD-40. Rag. Okay, it works, but I noticed this. Fuck, the bearings. I think the bearings are gone. This is really not my weekend. Well, better stick to that beer drinking. Maybe I'll fix it later. solid tire to get our house. So solid tire to get our this is as tight as I can get it, and it's still moving. But we can try. I will tell you that this is going to be painful. No, it's fucking slipping. Fucking ass shit, motherfucker. This is not possible. My fucking voice is shit. This will hurt. I know it. Fuck this shit, fucking ass. Fuck. This is not gonna work. I can promise you that. No. Fuck my knees. I don't know if this helps. I put that on that side. Ah, fuck. Oh, fuck. I can't do this alone. No. Okay, let's try these fucking toothpicks. Chinaman things. Those are tire irons. This is not possible. Not fucking possible. Fucking shit. Okay, I think this is the only way to get this. Here, there's an iron here. I don't think this is happening. No fucking way. This is the only way, I think. With my screwdrivers. This is not good. Not good. How the fuck? This rotates, so it's not good. Oh, fuck. Okay, the fucking light cable went that way. I don't know where it is. I need to get it somewhere from there. I need to disassemble that again. Oh fuck. It's over there. Come on, you fuck. No fucking shit. Come on, you fuck. You know what I just noticed? There. This motherfucking... Oh fuck. No fucking way. I would have need to put these first at the wire before entering the wire there. Fucking shit, I need to start all over again. Oh my god. Fuck this shit, I'm taking a few beers. What the fuck shit, mother... Fuck. Come on, you fucker. What the fuck doesn't... Now it's in, but this doesn't go. Fuck.